Public Health Engineering Minister Marcuise and Marak has informed that some land issues have delayed the commissioning of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. He, however, said that the government was trying to negotiate with the parties there and resolve the issue. He said that land issue is related to laying of pipes and construction of tanks in some locations, and the landowners are demanding for employment.
Otherwise, shutdown and breakdowns, to commission the third phase of the Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme. But because of the issues that is coming up every day, it's stuck up there. So therefore, sincerity of the government is always there. And then from my ministry, PHE ministry, is all out, and our sincerest effort is being given so that it is addressed at the earliest.
The one-man in